Okay, so that class was ended and I just forgot to remind you people that you're supposed to join it again. Okay, so just forgive. And I'm showing you the screen again. I want every one of you to, complete this activity 1. I hope everyone has completed this activity 1. Can everyone show me a thumbs up through Zoom that those who have completed this activity? I want every one of you to complete this activity 1. I hope everyone has completed this activity 1. Zainab, you want to say something? जी unmute yourself, beta.
टीचर आज आर्ट की क्लास नहीं है.
Who told that?
वो उस पे लिखा है.
कहाँ लिखा है बेटे?
टाइम टेबल पे.
Bete, there is a arts class today, na?
ओके.
Okay, it's from 3:30 to till 4, na? Don't worry about it. 4 o'clock आपका स्कूल बंद हो जाएगा. Don't worry, okay? Okay, so I hope everyone has completed these 5 questions in activity 1 because I have to start doing activity 2 or else I'll give you in the homework. Give me a thumbs up through Zoom if you have completed activity 1. Give me a thumbs up through Zoom if you have completed activity 1 of chapter number 2, good manners at meal time. Okay, Asad has completed. Malahim, Maheen, Abdullah. Abdullah, show me your work. Abdullah, दिखाइए. Abdullah, why did you close your camera? Okay, Abraham has also completed. Maham, did you complete these question answers of in activity 1 of chapter number 2 in Islamiyat? Okay, very good. Ayan Ahmed, Faria, Hiba, Hassan, open your cameras and show me the worksheet that you have completed your, activity 1. Okay, Malahim, I can see that, but Malahim, we'll do activity 2 in few minutes, okay? Just wait. I can see that you have completed it. Very good. Hassan, you have done your work? You have completed your activity 1? Hassan, did you complete your activity 1? Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari, why are you so late in the class? Unmute yourself. जी अब्दुल बारी.
मेरे घर पे ना लाइट थी इसलिए वो लाइट आई जब मैं आया हूँ.
Okay, so we learned about good manners at meal time and they all are doing the question answers. Did you complete your question answers? Thumbs up through Zoom. If you have completed, you did not complete. Okay, I will be giving you the homework. You are supposed to complete it because you have a quiz of this chapter in the next week. You have a quiz of this chapter in the next week. Okay, very good. Faik, where is your worksheet? Where is the worksheet? Show it to me, Faik. Unmute yourself, Faik. जी Faik.
मेरा क्वेश्चन आंसर लास्ट का 1 हो गया. मेरी 3 क्वेश्चन आंसर अभी नहीं हुए.
Okay, I'm showing them again and I hope everyone will write the answer with me. I hope everyone will write the answer with me. Question 1, in question number 1, they asked you, what should you do before you start eating? आपको क्या करना चाहिए जब हम खाना खाने से पहले हमें क्या करना चाहिए? You all know the answer very well. Okay, in question 2 they are asking with which hand should you eat? आपको कौन से हाथ से खाना खाना चाहिए? I have explained you this as well. In question 3 they are asking how should you drink water? पानी कैसे पीना चाहिए? Abraham gave us the answer of this question if you all remember. In question 4 they asked should one bleach loudly? Are we supposed to bleach loudly? क्या किसी को कोई इस तरह से करना, is it a good manner? So what will you answer? Question 5, in the question 5 say they are asking what should you do after you finish eating. जब आप अपने खाने को, अपने मील को फिनिश कर लेंगे तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? What is your responsibility to do that? Okay, so I hope everyone will answer these questions. Let's should we start doing activity number 2? Should we start activity 2? If you all have completed this, give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Give me a thumbs up through Zoom so that I'll start. Thumbs up through Zoom. Hiba, you want to ask something? Unmute yourself. अनम्यूट तो करें बेटा, आप अनम्यूट कीजिए जी।
मिस हो गई। मिस मैं कह रही थी आपने बोला था कि आप हमें इस्लामियत का वो सबको रीड करने देंगी।
जी मैं अब आपको रीड करने ही दे रही हूँ। ओके, so I am giving you the names and I want every one of you to read one each. हर एक रूल को रीड करना है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ज़ैनब start reading. And I want every one of you to stay attentive because किसी को भी बीच में से I'll ask you to start reading. Okay? ठीक है? Let's keep the activity 2 in the homework. Do activity 2 in your homework. Okay? I'll put it on the software. You can access it from there. Okay? Unmute yourself, Zainab. Start reading. Start reading.
Good dinners at meal time.
Excellent.
Wash both hands well before you start eating.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now the second one, Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari, unmute yourself and start reading. The second one.
Recite Bismillahirrahmanirrahim before you begin to eat.
Excellent. Very good. Thank you. Yes, the third one, Faik. Faik, read the third one.
Always eat your right hand.
Always eat with your right hand. Very good. Thank you. Yes, Hiba, fourth one. Read the fourth one.
Yes, miss. Eat the food in front of you and do not dip your fingers in the food.
Excellent. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, miss.
Unmute yourself. Oh, sorry. Mute yourself. Okay. Rehan, read the fifth one. Rehan, unmute yourself and read the fifth one.
While
Read the fifth one.
the fifth one.
ये fifth वाला read कीजिए बेटे. Read the fifth sentence.
While chewing
The food. Yes, very good. Very good.
avoid making noise.
Avoid making noise. Very good. Abraham, unmute yourself. Read the sixth one. Abraham, unmute yourself. Abraham, hurry up. Your timing's running out. Okay. Amna Tabish, unmute yourself. Amna Tabish, unmute yourself and read the sixth one. Amna Tabish, unmute yourself, Amna. Read the sixth sentence. Okay, Asad Ahmed, unmute yourself and read the sixth sentence. Asad Ahmed. Yes, Asad, read the sixth sentence. Asad Ahmed, hurry up.
Yes, miss.
Read the sixth sentence. ये आपको स्क्रीन पे sixth sentence नजर आ रहा है. Drink water. Read this sentence.
जी.
Read it, बेटे.
पढ़ना है हमें.
Yes, you are read करना पढ़ना ही होता है ना बेटा. Read it.
Yes, ये you are allowed से वो यहाँ तक पढ़ना है सिर्फ.
Drink water with your right hand. यहाँ से
Drink
लेके in
water
3
with
breaths
your-
तक पढ़ना है.
ठीक है. Drink water with your right hand with pushes
Pauses.
and in 3 breaths.
Very good. Very good. Ayan Ahmed, unmute yourself and read the 7th sentence.
Always sit down when you eat your meals and more when you drink water.
Excellent. Very good. Okay. Ishal Yasir, unmute yourself and read the 8th one.
8th one.
8th.
Do not
Very good.
loudly after
Blitch.
eating.
Do not blitz loudly. Blitz. Say this word, blitz.
Bleach loudly after eating. It is bad manners.
Okay, very
And
good.
our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam
Disliked it. Very good. Excellent. Okay, Fariha. Fariha, unmute yourself. Fariha, unmute yourself and read the 9th sentence. Fariha, unmute yourself. Beta, hurry up. Your time is running out. I have to end the class. Okay, Fariha is not here. Fahad Shehzad, unmute yourself and read the 9th sentence. Fahad Shehzad. Yes, beta.
9th. Clean up the food. Clean up the food
Excellent.
on your plate.
Very good. Thank you, Fahad. Okay, unmute mute yourself. Okay, let's. Okay, what is happening? Okay, as Hassan, read the last sentence. 10th sentence, Hassan.
After eating, we wash our hands.
No, after you finish, say. After you finish, say. Very good. And wash your hands.
And wash our hands.
Very good. Thank you. Okay. Fariha, unmute yourself and read this first. Did you know? Fariha, unmute yourself. Beta, unmute yourself. I think there's a problem, beta. I don't know why I'm unmuting you and you can't unmute yourself. Okay, Malahim, unmute yourself. Malahim, unmute yourself, beta. And read this first. Did you know? Malahim, read this first. Did you know? First, did you know, Malahim? Gee, this did you know? This did you know?
If you don't know,
Do not.
do not brush your teeth before going to bed.
Very good.
You will get germs in your teeth.
Very good. Thank you, Malahim. Excellent. Okay, Ayan Abbas. Ayan Abbas, I'm unmuting you. Read the second did you know? This one. Read this did you know, Ayan Abbas. Unmute yourself, Ayan Abbas. Ayan Abbas, unmute yourself. Ayan Abbas, unmute yourself. Hurry up. The time is running out. I have to end the class on 3:30. Ayan Abbas. Yes, Ayan Abbas. Ayan Abbas, hurry up, read this. Did you know? Then I have to end the class. Second read, read this second. Did you know? This one. Yes.
Teacher, I can't see your screen. Teacher is so small.
Can you see it now? Can you see it now?
No.
Can you see this? Did you know now?
No. Miss, ये yellow क्या आ रहा है?
Bete, can you see this now? Can you read this now, our beloved prophet?
No, Miss.
Okay, someone else. I think you are using the phone. I don't know why it's not clear to you.
Miss,
See,
screen is not clear.
is it clear now? Is it clear now?
No, Miss, ये yellow क्या आ रहा है?
Bete, it's did you know? Did you know our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, can you read these lines?
No, Miss.
Take help from mama or any sister. Okay, then I'll give you a chance again. Okay, anyone else? Fariha, unmute yourself again, beta. Okay, so this is it for today. And those who were not able to participate, I will be giving a chance again and again in the next classes. Don't worry, you will be getting a chance. Okay, I hope I gave a chance to everyone. I want every one of you to join your arts class. Miss Amna must be waiting for you all. Okay, and Faik, stop playing. Come back with your chair. You don't need to go far. I can see you. Okay. Faik, stop doing this. बेटे बैठ के क्लास लेते हैं. Okay, so this is it for today. I hope you will have a good day ahead. Take care and join Miss Amna's class. Okay, I think she's waiting for you all. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.